How to use Figma plugins for icon libraries. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Figma plugins to quickly access and use icon libraries. So make sure to watch this video till the end, and let's get started. First, open the Figma website on your device and make sure you're signed in. Once you're inside Figma, open the file where you want to use the plugin. After your Figma project finishes loading, look at the bottom toolbar on the screen. Here, you'll see a small icon. This is called the Actions icon. Just click on it to open the Actions menu. Now at the top of this menu, you'll see a search bar. Type the name of any plugin you want to add to your file. Figma will instantly show you matching plugins that are available to run. Once you find the plugin you want, simply click on it to run it. The plugin panel will open on the right or in a separate window, depending on the plugin. From here, you can use all the features of that plugin inside your project. And yes, it's now fully available in your Figma file, so you can use it anytime without reinstalling. You can also combine multiple plugins, for example using Iconify for big libraries and feather icons for minimal line icons. This gives you a lot of flexibility while designing. That's all for the video.